If you want to copy or share your own or someone else's Telegram profile link or share it through QR code, then stay tuned and I'll show you how you can share Telegram contacts either from your Android or your iPhone's Telegram app. First of all, if you want to share your own contact, then from the Telegram app, simply open the side panel by tapping on these three lines, then tap on your profile photo and select the QR code option. Now you can either share it or save it as an image. And if you want to share someone else's contact, then open the contact that you want to share. Now you need to tap on their profile photo. After that, tap on these three dots and here you'll find the share contact option. Just tap on share contact. And after that, you'll be able to share this contact with one or more people at the same time. But if you don't want to share the contact card, then you can also save or share the QR code of a contact. For that, similarly go to their profile and you need to tap on this QR code icon right next to their username. This can also come in handy if some of the contacts don't have this sharing option. So, just tap on the QR code, then you can share it or save it to your phone for later. Though we have used an Android phone for this process, it is exactly the same on any iPhone. So that's how you can share Telegram profile or contact using the Telegram mobile app. Make sure to drop a like if this helped and subscribe if you want more.